abatulaba abatuwuliriza wano ku Jagstick TV twebaza nnyo obwagizi bwammwe mwebale mutuwagidde nnyo abasubscribinze abalikinze n'abaforwardinze n'abasharinze tubaagala nnyo era tubeeyanza nnyo mwebale nnyo okutuwagira engera eŋŋombe yaffe bweri laba wuliriza yiga so olwaleero tuzze tukyaza abantu ab'enjawulo ab'emipiira ab'emizannyo bannakatemba abafuzi naye olwaleero tubaleetedde omukyala agenda kuba nga atubuulira ensonga oba nga atunyumizaamu atubuulira engeri ba single mothers gye beeyisaamu oba engeri obulamu gye babutwalamu weewaawo tukwaniriza.
Okay, thank you.
You're most welcome here in our
you.
studios,
Thank you.
the Jagstick studio. You can briefly tell us your names and tell the viewers your names and what you do, and if anything else.
My name is Adwiki Zekarin, a single mother of one, and is a daughter, and I'm a teacher.
And you're a teacher.
Yes.
So you are a single mother at the same time you're a teacher.
Yes.
Okay, that's really so great, you know, to find that you're a single mother and you're a teacher. I think now for you, the life, it is absolutely good on your side.
Not all that good.
Not all that good. Why? Because what I'm seeing is because you have what you can do with yourself in the first place. You have what you can do. So if you're having what you can do, that means you can take care of yourself and take care of also for the child. Now, tell us, how did you find this life really when you put it in a context? How did you find this life of being a single mother?
Difficult.
Difficult?
Yes.
Okay, tell us. How?
Okay. Nobasa kushanga kale nobasa kwereberera kugira I have a job.
Yes.
Konka babataka kushashwire noshanga hine akire ningashi omwana yarwara toyine sente aho no bayine kuza muyibanza atoshanga wakwiyeyo musara eribanza ushanga rya affecting ekinde cyo kuza kutambuza omisho.
Okay.
Ushanga maybe you are planning to buy something but due to that debt it makes you backsliding.
Going back. So you want to say that much as noborabe oyine acyokora nchukitira kasente hati kadiringamu nushanga kuletera obuzibu bwingi
nkakuletera obuzibu
so hati akwa arubi binchizira kuhura bari kugira ngo the single mothers they are very very okay. It's good someone to be a single because it doesn't meet these challenges of a husband maybe telling her do this or do that, all that stuff.
Okay, on the other side, sometimes you may find it's good because there is self-driven.
You live an independent life, huh?
Yes, self-driven. No water pressure. Shanga, I want food, I want water for bathing, I want this. And you have to do all of those things.
So ate oshanga ngwecho kyakuletera okutura gye in that single life.
Kale oshanga ine space oshanga kale noyetegeka you independent buli kimwe kyokwenda nokyeyisya azini kale otakwenda futeka tofuteka
konka hati
no buying mu hotel
iwe uko kuba noreba ekyo really noreba is it healthy, is it good for someone to live, most especially on the side of the female, to live such kind of a life?
No. No, Ninja, it's not good. Because rahanga kahanga umukazi kuba umushije taramuhangire kugira ngo azabivaganje azo umwanya we so niho ninjya ngo tucuri good kubanga nano kushanga umuntu ayine ekayehe na cyise kitinisa kubanga ko kuba single mother abantu binji bakuteka tekere ibintu byinji kandi ushanga umwe tubyora umu ukachuzinga kuba single mother for some reasons kandi ushanga batakuzumanya hati bomba kureba mu kindi kore wayemera no muntu wo wastaman no mushija nga wayemera nawe yatandika kumukwana hatushanga bakuteka hebe bintu kandi ushanga nijo idea wotajina kare wote wotine choine
okay hati cyakaro ukwano gari cyanyizira nyendo tutangazemo ni burungi ki oburi omukuba de single mother tari mukarungi kwana
karum ngo kunana gambire self driven
nuwitegeka niwiguraho nugaruka
notaya yaho kwenda ugaruka utasabira rusa
nuyapoka wanogera
norya kasente ko kakwika mukore waja wakurya poka no kustama ugiyo ba wagirira shazinga hi tukwenda kumanya
kuri tari kodaringa kapoka yona bagifitenere bagitarusabira ojya
ojiriya ubogirira mushaha mukaga konka kuri ya toraje ordering se wo inamushija kubanga torargo hota musabira sana kubuza noza no yine kubanza kusaborsa konka hari ayikunjero muto
araba abakunda kucyakara atabuno bagamba wiki because ni neba babasa kunda mnonga to be
single mothers bine miringo aro kushanga kazombwa akaba single mother takucenda kandi hino kuba ya ari kucenda atogwenje bantu munyumera
konko mburyo niko kishemero kuba kiri kiti
ko cyashemero kuba kiri buryo makabira yineka
hadi no teka niki kikuretera umuntu yasara mu kugira ngo abe de single to live a single
no basa kushanga okuba single yabanze ku meeting umushija akambere kizuba narabamwe abashija no hikayo akureba nkotine bazire atafuteka ho mwaga atoshanga iyo go mwaga tora gukuriroho so kuwataho mu family watanka ku facing difficulties atezo kufosinga kukwitinga
okay
so kwishingo yishango risingo
atara arogo kucharama ubwo mbwama uki
atogo kusharamu okay buryo mwe nabayine planie buryo mwe nayine ningo no shanga umuntu nahangwa kuja dekanzo mbushwere nzare
marenduge kandi shaba aba like he wants to get married but ushanga ngo maybe yachererwa kandi nano bwire maybe bwahwayo
obokushwera
atabuno bagamba uki now okay can't let in haro no shanga someone wants to get married
but the age
it's not bad age but you find is like think atungire my level think atungire this is not my level
nabagaya bashisha kare
ati oshanga that one yamretera to end up living
a single life
atabuno bagamba uki is there a level for someone I think kanywe karo nanyi ndakushura ni level yanje yinkwenda always whoever comes by should go with that one
none injira ubwo umuntu natine rukundo ubwo umuntu ari kuhurira ngo yakushwera nanda level nanda kare like if I'm a teacher I should go with a doctor
okay
atogwe natine rukundo kureka nanaronda ekitinisa natashirwa abwa rukundo nashirwa abwa ekitinisa abwa sente
we omuruwe
tarmu kukunda kozi harimo kukunda kiya kwiza akagambo ho wa boda
konka ticha wano gamba kukunda tina kwetegereza ki okukunda no manyisa ki hatari mukunda
kale azi no shanga omuntu
abo kwanyo ni tekateka ngu nkoka baganda kwa kugira nkino kiri mu butonde nti omukasi ayina kufumbirwa ayina kufuna omusajja afumbirwe
kituufu
bwe kibanga kiri bwe kityo ate n'ogamba nti aba talinamu lukundu si kitegedde ekyo yinza okututangazaamu awo
okay noza kushanga nk'omukazi yagambwaho wa boda yamwikiriza kugira ngu tayinayo ndiijo kandi nanda kushwerwa konka omutima gwehe nanda dokita so naza kwereka ogwe ngu yamukunda kugira ngu arindirireho oriya so ogwogu nobwo arabe namupromisinga oriya anseberi yes aba accepting buri kimwe konka deep in her mind there in heart is not with that person.
Asi then aho yiza yatunga warukwende no America agenda nawe
yes
yamao
it's possible
kanaka bikahango mnonga kanaka bikahango mnonga
yes and is among us all the females
and then he hangs up with this one and as he's waiting for the other level comes now what if that level doesn't appear, doesn't come?
That's why you find she goes with this one and at the end she quits the marriage.
Kata icharitere namba yaba single mothers kweyonze okay
to be married to a person whom you don't want
now there's okay, how can I get to know that this is the person I want naba ndi umwishi ngogo ati ninchimanyanta am I being driven by my emotions is my mentality what
okay
because you can tell us here
if a man comes and tells you that she loves you, he wants to be with you, don't just say yes. First study him.
How do you study?
Okay, I may say, okay, give me time. As we are talking, we are discussing some what we go in corners there.
Which corners?
Not corners, the corners.
Which corners? No, let me ask you something. Because if you are talking about studying someone, someone is in Rwamwanja, another one is in Kaberibiri, and they are dating each other, and someone is telling you that he's studying one another.
Aye.
How?
Man, no jungle long distance is this abantu tubakwegita shi.
Yeah, they can, but there's something I don't agree with when someone is far away from each other. Because someone can hibernate all the habits and the characters. By the time now we're coming together, you think now this is the right person, I can now go on with this one, and when you are together, and then the true colors begin to come out. What do you say about that?
Okay. Nyoni injira ngo ibintu byona nibyetagwa mu isharo kushaba kubanga nabwo cyo kiriho no basa kukunda umuntu omanye ngo okay this is a fine person I want in life, you go with that person, but when you reach there as you are talking, he starts showing you true colors.
Yes. Then
you may find me, I don't want a drunkard.
And now you have fun. Now
when
you're going to discover he is. What do you do?
Okay.
And you have been studying. Remember, you've been studying. What do you do now?
I've been in courtship. Okay. There I can.
You jump out? What do you do now?
Okay, je chinkusemba abantu no basa kushanga baromba tureba mpo. omuntu no basa kuba waboye no mushija wawe kare let us say a boyfriend ataka kutaiza na boyfriend or boy lover like that mwambyo process myo courtship so mwambyo courtship mumusomangana studying each other
okay
so aho umuntu nabasa kwereka no biyako bariyo mwiki nakwereka ngo is okay tarmara takunda bashisha takunda chino mushija kwereka nani nywa marwa wotagenda kubanga we nana akwenda nakwereka ngo marwa yakora ki yaba no murokore takoroko kas no stakwanga takwara so nani babura wa matayizo kare yakwereka true colors just no kushaberana ninga mukastama meza bitari byo kuyomba okamugamba twonka shika wabe no twazoti kandi no atkawatana kebi akugambira nshonga mugiye kirizane
kwegesana
mwegesane okara bwo kushanga no mushija ino mtu muhango
nungambira kiwe no fakitanye
ukankunda kore wankunzira nyemera
okay hati tichakara nibuzi buki oburi omukuba the single mother karo single mothers bakubukakana obukufuna nko kunana agambira obuzibo bakufuna ba single mothers nobwo abantu kuteka tekere cyotari obwiro bwingi ba single mothers babine pure hearts namanyisa ki
mbabi no mutuma murungi kare like tiba kuzoku no kushanga ushanga umuntu karari singo amisho gega ry'abana be
kambuzi kibuze iki naba nkiri nko mwishi Deniza maybe mshiza wanje yafa nashi twatungamo butacengana then ati twatana hataho remember nje yumwishi ati nabakundeba ni bingi munonga kana abakunyenda ni bingi munonga hataho ningumisa mbasingo embere ryo ningitwazanta nashi nagitwazata ejembera
okuba single mother tukwenda wakwitingo mbushwere orake kufuna bundi kozi no basa kushanga kizibe cyo watambuka nicyo wakora ki wagaruka nicyo bancenda obanzo ka oyihe time like 2-3 years
okay
2-3 years awufune right person cause kandi obwira bwinji no shanga umuntu yari single mother yarawucira kubucira obushwere azobu yabucira aho yateka hebisiba yamani goshanga yaide like 2 children ninga 1 kid yakushobwa gamba ngo tayine
okay
kubanga yakigyo muki yanarebuka Jesu na indayere koriya ngo yatakashwerwa hoga kandi oshanga hati na cyecho yakigarro mbushwere ati kiza cyamanywa bwanyuma yagakombwa singo kubanga umushija kambiha at the beginning so kuyaba yishireyo umushija yamanya the truth behind so can't stay with me
ati ni kimuretera ukugwo mukina
ekindi
ekyo kuba the single
so nyoni njango umuntu ya samu kuba single kwitingo bushwere buyarum abanze sitting down ayerohozeho then achakire kuzo mu yindi family
okay
like 2-3 years aho no basa kufuna munda right person cause when you're a single mother no boine relationships nyingi no bakare boina abantu bingi bo kukwetaga abamweni bambiza kushisha cause bareba you are partly damaged
you're the victim of the circumstance okay
abamwe mamba kureba side mo siskire so abamuhiziramu abo kwenda kusisira kimwe kukoze sakubanga mbamanya bwarjere kuri there is a situation yakwire ningashi ukarga yabwa abcd kushangaye no yenda kuchakara abamwe mbakurebera mukwenda mbareba ngo nonda kucakara so ahizamwe abacakaze ukwenda bakucakaze kandi abandi oshanga harimo ba right person bakwenda kufutasi mbakureba so nicyenda obahakire bakustudying niyo bastudying kare habe harimo abacakaze aho nhora abarebere ko abahakire 2 years umucakaze tarakurinde 2 years naza kuba yakoze reki yakurigiro yagenze kandi umuntu ari responsible ari kwenda umuryejo 2 years naza kuba nakorebera nakucengera mu akucenge korora single mother no yetwazota okarga yabwe kizu ABCD oyina mazima ninga konka korara ke wajoti narugombo shwere dekanda ke kushwerwa abora ashwerwe nabo benyini ba victims abo kush abo kwenda kushenyera ho kimwe konka ko kuchakire like 2 to 3 years atobonera mo right person
achi kandi jaika excuse me shonga yoku managing like finances on the side of the single mother but we have based much more on the side of the single mother and yet we know on the other side also there are single fathers. But right now, let's just go through that line of handling on the side
of single mothers.
The single mother. So when it comes to the side of managing the finances, buzibuchi bubasisinkana
karawe no basakushanga ayo abirori no wabo ino mushije sometimes oshanga kana social rent so you compensating akom byo kuryokwe umuci karashanga mukwasagana but fana when you single noba oine kwekoro mugona
okay
oine koraguriza abana oine kushashura rent oine kuproviding emere oine karabur chimo shanga kiryariwe kandi oshanga you are one person and you can't afford
to manage and balance balance them and like how nyenda kongera kibuze kindi if because they are the ones who they are those who are saying that for me when I'm a single I can do all what I want and I can excel, I can succeed. Now what do you say about that? Is a single mother, can she excel when she's single?
There are some who can excel because you may find some of them they have good jobs and good paying jobs. There they can excel in each and everything.
Waliwo n'abasajja abajja ne babajjako ssente ngamaze okulaba nti oli single talina ssente yena amukwana ng'ayagala amuggyeko obujja ssente nosanga nga tebamazeeko
atawo washanga omuntu aine good paying job kale is rich. There are some females who are rich and who are better than males. Atabo no shanga okushanga yabira risingwe okushanga akeshanga risingo abantu aba rich amasaba abakazi aba rich ushanga bina munakagaya so shanga omushisha nantegekata kandi shanga ningo bwa ino murimo go kupeyinga je nugumu hayiriza kwino kirasha heza higuru ato shanga omushisha yamuteka tekere kindi oshanga yenda ngu amasitami ugumurmo ugota kubasa kompera ho tayimu so gureki kandi oshanga omukazi nawe naja tigure ko gumurmo kubanga hine kingu gobaho so you are not the one who paid for me school fees. So I can't quit this job. To quit this job let me quit the marriage.
Yes true that
she ends up quitting the marriage being a single mother.
Kale njaga otune mu kamera wali ongambira abatulaba ebigambo ongambire ba single mothers ebigambo bibiri oba bisatu ebyamagezi engeri basobola okwetwazamu n'engeri basobola okwaavoidingamu to be the single mothers.
Kale ekinku basagambira abokutulebaho mwebale abo muramwa gwito gutwaturuho ekinku bahaburaho ba single mothers wabire single mother wono uhurano ndagarukayo yo kwateje otashanga niyo rohono shenye kayananka niyo rohono zo mukayananka niyo rohono jubuzo businje niyo barho mbagambaho ahacanga ngo ningo mukikaraho kubera ningo mfamiro ko kuwa hiwarjire ningo shanga ta kare yehe kitinesa rahanga kuhereho umushisho wa umurungi kare nakigwanda kuhabara abasingo mothers abahereze kurgayo ninga oryo mezi ningo oryo mwaka yehakire otakatomera yehereza kireka like 2 to 3 years obonere pass a right person kanana but single mothers those who can take care of themselves ecinku bahaburaho wono huraho ntakobsinje it's fine konka utachikozesa kushisha amakagaba ningo kashanga no chitwara nko habuzi kuremesa abandi ngo bargeyo just ase kintu ni kugambira no shanga umuntu kare umuntu yiza nahereza kare like let us say I have a friend is in marriage nahura nanda kind of guidance counseling has come to me and I'm a single mother instead of guiding and counseling her
you begin to bring the other things say don't do that if
don't,
he's doing that you can leave and us don't you see us now we are here we are living
echo chumeletera oku sreteninga oshanga yaho mama sukuga family yaine amanyango mushijo waine tine cyari mwe nawoka ending kai hati nyama jeza ging honi impereza abantu if you are a single mother chemere kubanga nico wabenuye cause wota kuchenda tokuchizam
okay wow abarabita abarungi abajagistic media mwe bari munonga kutureba no kuturikiza buzimazima mbyara kazogo yatugambira kandi yateza uhabuzi burungi munonga ubukwata aba single mothers ngo kutukugira ubutosho butandukama ngureba kurikiza kandi oyege we meet next time.